think ultimately we need to move away from the concept of fact checking and instead start to focus on quality checking. And really, if a person makes a claim, I don't care if that claim is true or false. What I care about is whether or not they have the right basis to make that claim and they provided all the information I need to verify that claim or to be able to rely on it. So you make a claim that something happened. It's not on me to go and verify that. If you claim that the number of people who died in a particular war in a particular place is 50,000, it's not up to me to go and actually count the bodies, right? I need some evidence to go along with that claim, otherwise it's just unreliable. And so when I say that we have to focus on quality and not on truth, it's that, is the information reliable? Does it come in the right form with the right evidence? Can you actually base something on it? And in many ways, it's sometimes better if you get really reliable information that turns out to be untrue than if you get a really random claim that accidentally turns out to be true. I would rather consume high quality, reliable information all the time. Over time, I'll get more truth. Whether or not this particular thing happened to be true, I don't know, and I'm not sure I should care, because in the moment, that is not what I should go with. In the moment, I cannot tell whether something is true or not. Even if you have an ongoing event and you have breaking news, well, sometimes what they tell me is going to turn out to be untrue. They don't know. It's breaking. It's just happening as we speak. And so what I want is high quality breaking news. I want them to interview all the witnesses available on the scene and not the 3 that are wearing a MAGA hat. Ultimately, it could be that something is either true or false, unless you have Schrödinger's cat and then it's both dead and alive at the same time. But you have to understand that whether something is true or false cannot be determined in the moment in many cases. Sometimes it's breaking news, the event is ongoing, evidence is coming in as we speak. And so talking about the truth of the matter makes no sense, right? Let's say there was a terrorist attack 3 minutes ago. How many casualties are there? You have no idea. The report you're getting right now is probably false. It could still be a reliable report or an unreliable report. You could get high quality information that actually synthesizes all the available information, or you can get low quality information that only cherry picks convenient facts for a particular narrative, right? All of these things are more important to look at than whether or not something is true. We will know what was true a year from now. It's unknowable in the moment in many cases.